Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Intercom inbox for quicker customer response cycles, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Intercom account. Once logged in, navigate to the Inbox tab located on the sidebar. In the Inbox settings, look for the Configure option. Click on Configure to access various settings for your inbox. Set up your inbox by selecting the channels you want to include. Consider adding channels like chat, email, and social media for a unified experience. Next, establish your team member roles and permissions. Assign team members to specific channels based on their expertise. Customize your inbox view by selecting the most relevant information. This could include fields like customer name, priority, and response time. To enhance collaboration, set up internal notes for team discussions. These notes will help team members communicate effectively about customer issues. Implement automated messages to greet customers upon arrival. This will provide instant engagement and create a positive first impression. Next, explore the automation settings for assigning conversations. You can assign conversations based on team availability or specific criteria. Consider using tags to categorize conversations for easier tracking. Tags can help your team filter and prioritize response efforts. Enable the snooze feature for conversations that require follow-up later. This keeps your inbox organized and ensures nothing is overlooked. Set response time goals to encourage quicker customer interactions. Monitoring these goals will help improve efficiency over time. Leverage the reports section to analyze customer interactions. This data will provide insights into response times and team performance. Regularly review and adjust your inbox setup based on team feedback. This ensures your process remains efficient and effective. Train your team on new features and updates to maximize usage. With these steps completed, your Intercom inbox should be optimized for quicker customer response cycles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.